What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Glass Garage, where we make detailing simple. My name is Sak, and today I have something special for you guys. So today, my wife and I are going to be installing an interior ceramic coating inside the interior of this brand new BMW X5. It's a 2024, and we're approaching winter as well. So this is the best time, and like I always tell my customers, it is the cheapest time because it is brand new. There's not much to clean. So what we're going to do is spray a bit of panel prep onto the surfaces, wipe it down, clean it, and then we're going to apply the interior ceramic on the carpets. And then I do have one product that I enjoy using a lot, and we're going to apply leather guard as well for the leather. This is a leather coating, and it is a very durable coating. So so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first what you want to do is go ahead and grab your panel prep, and I go ahead and spray a couple sprays onto the microfiber towel. Then I go ahead and just wipe the surface. You want to make sure the dashboard and everything is cool to the touch. Today's an overcast day, so this is a perfect way to go ahead and clean your surfaces and just do a general wipe down. That's all you really want to do. It is a brand new car, and here it looks like they possibly applied a dressing or something, a little bit of streaking there, but you really want to go ahead and clean and wipe down all that dirt, dust, and debris off of the surface. And once you're done with that, you go ahead and get ready to apply. So we already wiped down everything. So what we want to go ahead and apply is the interior ceramic. I have two bottles here because this is one from a residual one that I had left, but this is a brand new bottle. So go ahead and do this, and I'll show you how to apply the interior ceramic on the carpets. So once I'm done, what I like to do, obviously we vacuum last and do the carpets last, but what I like to do is go ahead and apply everything around the door jambs, the door panels. Apply the interior ceramic first on everything else. Then I go ahead and vacuum the carpets. Once I'm done vacuuming the carpets, I go ahead and apply panel prep onto the seats, apply the interior ceramic on the carpets and mats, and then from there, go ahead and apply the leather guard onto the leather coating onto the leather seats, and we're done because we do not want to go in and out of the vehicle often. So that's about it. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how to apply this. So it's fairly simple. This is going to be like a 8-minute video tops. Go ahead, open your nozzle. This is a brand new interior ceramic. So just keep spraying until you run out. And I like to go ahead and add a general amount the first time. Prime the entire microfiber, and then you just go ahead and apply. Go ahead and apply in straight lines as such. You could do a crosshatch pattern, circles. I like to do it this way. Wait a couple seconds. It's not a hot panel, it's not anything. It starts flashing and flashing away. Then you go ahead and level off the rest of the interior coating, and it will leave a nice satin finish. So that's literally it. From here, I'll pause the video. We're gonna do the rest of the car, vacuum the inside, and I'll show you how to apply the interior ceramic onto the carpets and mats. All right, everyone, so once you're done doing the interior ceramic on, all the plastic surfaces, we're gonna go ahead and apply it to the carpets, and then from there, I'll show you how to apply NV guard on the seat. So my wife is finishing up the rest, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply these on the mats because we already vacuumed, and you want to be generous with the interior ceramic on the carpet. you go ahead and spray a bunch. And then I like to go and rub it into the fabric or the fibers of the carpet. Don't forget the side. This is carpet as well. And your hand become moist, your glove. So you go ahead and just keep rubbing it and then I like to do 2 coats, but now this one's a lighter mist. And just the same thing, just rub it into the fibers, and that's it. All right, everyone, so we've panel prepped the seat as well, but this I've really been enjoying a lot. It gives that nice type of leather, you know, new leather scent, even though this is a new leather scent anyways, it's a new car. But this is amazing for leather. It's a leather coating from Envy. It's fire, it works amazing. So go ahead. This is the same applicator. This is where I applied the DIY detail interior ceramic. And this hasn't been touched, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply a bit of this Envy leather guard. And I like to saturate it as well. And for this, you go ahead and apply it onto the surface and then wait 20 minutes, and then you go ahead and buff off the excess. So I like to dab this out and then go ahead and just wipe it in circles. Circles, triangles, don't matter. Just make sure you cover every surface. And if you need more, a couple sprays don't hurt. And make sure you cover every single inch, even in here. This is amazing for your leather. And I love applying these to leathers as well. So same thing up here. Not sure if you can see. And then I'll just cut this off. Practically, you go ahead and make sure you get even coverage all across. And you do not wipe off right away. You wait 20 minutes, let it cure, and then you go ahead and wipe off the excess. You're not necessarily buffing off. You're wiping off the excess. If you have a dark interior, this is gonna leave a nice satin sheen. It's not gonna be like that oily conditioner look or anything. It's gonna leave that sheen super, super, super nice. And of course, it's way easier to clean. Just wanna make sure I get even coverage. And like I said, wait 20 minutes for it to cure, then you wipe off the excess. All right, everyone, so remember, this is the best way to go ahead and protect your vehicle from the jump. You go ahead and add an interior ceramic to go ahead and help prevent any premature cracking, staining, and as well as gene transfer. So whenever you get gene transfer, this is a light interior. It's easy to wipe off. And an interior ceramic will probably last about a year and a half if somebody's going in every single day. Let's say, for example, the driver's seat, for example, it's gonna go in and out constantly, so it's probably gonna last about 6 months, because remember, the friction and stuff, the wear and tear, it's going to go ahead and take the beating. And that's pretty much why you want a ceramic coating, is to go ahead and initially take that beating, so it's not the actual leather itself. But hopefully you guys found this informative. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We also did put it on the carpets as well, so that way if they ever spill coffee or anything, it helps prevent staining gradually, amazingly. And also the carpets will be hydrophobic as well. So to go ahead and dampen up and remove that stuff, because carpets are the easiest things to go ahead and stain. And yep, so next we're gonna move on to coating this vehicle, and that's gonna be another video. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.